So let's begin to do a double crochet front post. So to start this stitch, normally you would just chain up 3. But when it's a front post like this, you're only gonna chain up 2. You never ever use the one right below the first one in order to do the stitch. It's very rare unless the pattern tells you otherwise. So your first stitch is actually technically this post, which is the next one. So the chaining 2 equals the same height as if you were to do a double crochet front post. That's why you're only chaining 2. So to do this one, you're just gonna wrap the hook and then coming turn the side out to the other side and pull through 2 and 2 to finish it as a regular double crochet. So wrapping into the side, out to the other side, and this is creating a ridge on the other side of your work. Now when you mix your front posts and your back posts together, you can create basket weaves and a lot of really neat designs that have a lot of texture. So usually when you do this kind of stitch, especially in a row like this, what you want to concentrate on is on that last chain. So in the last chain, in this particular instance, you want to just do a half double crochet in the turning chain, never into a gap, but go right into the chain itself, pull through, and then pull through all 3, and that half double crochet equaled the same height as the other stitches like you had. So to begin again, you would turn your work, chain up only 2, and then start immediately. So if you were to do the front post, just wrapping it, coming to the post, and so on. You see a lot of stuff like this is done, especially in cuffs and collars, and a lot of great things that require texture. So when you're continually going back and forth on the front post, you can see that the ridge just started on the other side. So it kind of has a unique look and provides a little bit of elasticity as well. This is the front post double crochet.